How to change avatar to picture on Duolingo app. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Take it simple. If you have been wondering on how you can change from avatar to profile picture on Duolingo, then you came to the right place. I will show you clearly on how you can change your avatar to profile picture in Duolingo application. Now let's get started onto it. If you try to change your profile picture from Duolingo application, then you can't be able to do it because the application only shows the option to edit the avatar, not the profile picture. So you have to open any browser you have and type duolingo.com. Make sure you are logged in here as well. Tap on your avatar head and press on the pencil-like icon in the top right corner. Click on the choose file and select any photo you want. After choosing your photo, tap on the save changes button and wait for some second. Again go to your application and tap on your avatar head and tap on the gear shift icon in the upper right corner. And you can see the profile picture. I hope this video was informative and helpful. Do like the video and subscribe for more informative contents.